Oh, it's so hot. Hi guys. I don't wanna be a one-man band. Hello po. Trying to fix my hair. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I could see it in the stars. What's up, guys? I missed going live. I missed talking to you. That's why today we are going to go live. Well, actually, we are already live. I don't know. Kamustahan muna tayo, chikahan muna tayo. Ask me questions. Let's do this. BBS Millie. Yes, guys. Mga puso, mga kapamilya. Wow. I miss doing that every Saturday, mga kapuso, mga kapamilya. Ako po ay naghihimin. Diyos ko, Lord. Ano na? House Challenger sa bahay ni Sager. Yan. House Challenger ako sa bahay ko. Hi, hello po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It's a very hot afternoon. So make sure you guys drink your water. Make sure you guys stay hydrated. Uminom kayo ng tubig. Pare-pare sa sinasabi ko. But yeah, guys, it's really hot. It's so summer. Pa-shoutout po. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Wow, 4.8 billion users agad na nandito. Hello po sa inyong lahat. 4.9, grabe kayo. Thanks for the reminder, Michael. Yes, of course. Ako I have to remind myself rin eh. Magiging house challenger. Wow. That'd be cool, no? But good luck to Charlie and to Ralph, ang mga ating big comebackers, mga wild card. I hope you guys are doing well. Kamusta na kayo? Thanks for the gifts, guys. Grabe kayo. May parigalo agad. Invite Emilio. I think he's at work. My duo is always at work. Grabe. There's not a day that he's not working. Shout out sa iyo, duo. Duo, I miss you. Shout out from Taiwan. Hello po. Ask questions, guys. This is the time that I will be answering questions. Sino Big Four ko? I think I've said it before. But right now, Will, AZ, Esnir, and River. Rivs. I miss you, Rivs. Big intensity challenge. Oo nga eh. Grabe yung ano nila. Grabe yung new task. But it's so interesting. Kaya please manood po kayo ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. 10:05 on weekdays and 6:15 on weekends. Weeknights pala. Yeah. What was my lunch today? Actually, I haven't had lunch. I had brunch. I had late super late breakfast. Thanks for the gifts. Oh, you're awesome. My ice cream. May aircon po ba sa PBB? Alam nyo guys, napakalamig sa PBB. That's why lahat kami ay linalamig sa loob. Because malamig nga. Malamang. Sinabi ko malamig. Ay, shoutout po. San Carlos, Pangasinan. Hello po. Hello. Pwede ka mag-host. Thank you po. Bili na po kayo ng Pares. Pares. Grabe, ngayon ko lang ulit napanood yung Pares namin ni Esnir. Ang saya pala. Shucks. I wish we were able to do it again. But sana sa paglabas niya, who knows, maybe we can host together. Pares. Pares. Thanks for the ice cream. What is ultimate truth teller? The ultimate truth teller is that, yes. Secret. I know something you don't. Okay, Miss AZ, nakakamiss siya. Wala pa yung dapat sumali. Sino ang favorite ulam ni Ate Klang? I'll agree with my duo. I think I'll have three. Three really good is yung... lahat naman masarap, first of all. Ang galing magluto ni Ate Klang. And she is one of the reasons kung bakit talaga kami nabubuhay sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Because her food's so yummy. But one of them, yung munggo. Top one. And guys, personally, hindi ako kumakain ng munggo sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya. Or like sa outside world. I don't eat it as much. But then, nung nasa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, dun ako na in love sa munggo kasi napakasarap pala niya. And it's so yummy and it's healthy. Healthy. And what else? Yung chicken curry niya, my God, ang sarap ng chicken curry niya. And then yung adobo niya, her adobo is really good. And then yung gravy niya is really good rin, guys. Promise. I hope Ate Klang, paglabas mo sana magluto ka kahit once lang. Namimiss ko na ang luto mo. Ang sarap. As in, like, especially the fact na konti lang yung ingredients sa loob. Nagagawa niya ng napakasarap na dish. It's so talented. Hindi lang siya magaling na singer, magaling din siya na mom. Mom. Favorite snacks sa Pinoy Big Brother. Guys, nakakita niyo naman ang mga favorite snacks ko ron. Lahat na lang kinakain ko dun pag gutom ako eh. But I think, ako kasi when I'm hungry, nanghihina ako or parang I get like a bit, what's that called? Not lightheaded naman eh. Pero para alam yung parang nanghihina. Yun, nanghihina nga. Nanghihina ako. Tapos, like my knees get weak. So, I have to eat something right away. I always eat fudgy bar. Tapos I eat like 4. It's so good kasi like yung custard. Ako tapos yun sa akin. Or pag talagang wala ding fudgy or gusto ko naman medyo salty, what I will get is my favorite yung toyo rice with used oil and cracklings. Come on, guys. You have to try it at home. Promise. It's really good. Promise. Like, as in, promise. Nakilang promise na ako. So, sino pinaka-favorite housemate ko? I think my favorite housemate is si Kuya. Wow. All of them. They really are my family. May mga best friends naman ako doon. And siguro, si Emilia na yung pinaka-bestie ko doon. And guys, I saw this tweet. You guys are so cool kasi Emily and I were talking about it. We met na before entering pa sa PBB. Without knowing each other, we met each other sa isang magazine event. And the magazine event was for, like I said, dinner lang. And halo-halo siya ng artist. And sakto, he was there. And Ralph, okay? Tapos I saw a photo on X na parang magkalayo kami when we took the group photo, but I actually talked to him that night. And sabi ko, oh my God, bro, like I worked with your brother, blah, 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 blah. And then I asked him what he's doing. And it's just so cool kasi yung red string theory, or invisible string theory ba yun? Na parang you guys meet at a certain time and then you guys will meet again. Tapos nag-meet pa kami sa bahay ni Kuya. Ang galing lang. And we became really good friends pa. I mean, like, until now, he's really my brother and he's one of my closest in the industry. So, ang galing. Ang galing. Naliw lang ako. Ang galing na nahanap niyo. And si Ralph, katabi ko naman nun. And I feel so bad kasi I don't know why, but I know Ralph, but I'm so sorry, Ralph. Kasi alam kami ng bahay ni Kuya, konting chika ko lang. He was like, Michael, we've met each other na before, same event ni Emilio. And then I was like, what? Really? And then nakalimutan, I was so sad. And I was like, Ralph, I'm so sorry. But kasi I'm not, minsan, pag marami ako nakikitang mukha and stuff, and hindi ko na alala. So, my fault. I'm so sorry, Ralph. Diyos Mio! Will we see Diyos Mio? Oh my God. You know, to the girls, Josie, they are on tour. Good luck sa kanila. I miss them and I wish you guys the best. Lagi-lagi umaawit sa langatita. La 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 la. Sino Big Four ko? Kanta siya. Grabe yung Big 4 times sign. Gusto ko mag times 100 and sasagutin ko. Yun! May paiha na. Iha. Pinakamahirap na task. Oh, it's a good question. You know, our weekly tasks were no joke. They were almost impossible at times. And sinasabi ko yun repeatedly sa house. To the one task, yung bottle flip. But, you know, si Kuya kasi, he wouldn't give a super impossible task, but he will give a challenging task. Kaya ako din na-enjoy yung mga task namin. Especially yung sa akin, nung naging leader ako, yung cup stacking. That was actually really difficult, but luckily we got through it. But I think for me, mas mahirap yung yung bottle flipping. Simply because, nung first time namin na ginawa, yung tactic kasi namin was go, 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 bilis, bilis, bilis. And siguro because of that, nawala yung quality over quantity. It was more just quantity talaga. Go lang ng go to get one. And it took us like 500 tries just to get one. So sabi ko, grabe bro, this is impossible. Kasi we had to get, I think 21. Correct me if I'm wrong, mga ganon. So sabi ko, Emil's, he was leader eh, and I was duo with him. Sabi ko, Emil's parang imposible to ah. Until the next day, we learned that let's take it slow, let's do it one by one, let's give each other more time. And little do we know, we were able to get it. I was able to get 2, Will was able to get 4, and then Emilio at the end was able to get 9. So it was really cool. It was a hard task, but it was the most satisfying, kumbaga, kasi talagang redemption yun. And I told Emilio and I told the housemates na I hope they give us a try na to help the housemates. I mean, hati naman eh. Kasi di ba yung task na yun parang, will you guys go settle for 50% or will you go for 100? I told the housemates, please let's settle for 100% because as housemates, we always go big and or go home eh. We never settle for minimum. So sabi ko, let's try. And I'm so happy we did kasi we were able to help naman. Okay, 1,000 na yung Big Four. Okay, my Big Four is Michael, Emilio. Ay, sorry. My Big Four, I said it na kanina, I'll say it again though, is siguro si Will. You know, Will's my bestie. I miss you, Will. And Wilver. I saw them reunite. Congrats to you guys. Let's go, Wilver. And AZ. You know, AZ. You are my Big Four, AZ. And then Esnir. Esnir's Big Four for me. And those are my Big Four. I mean, lahat naman sila all big winner material. I think the people that are left inside the house, all big winner material. So I'm proud of them and good luck to them. Kasi ang hirap pala nung yung pahamon ni Kuya this upcoming final duo. I'm excited for that. Kung sino magiging final duo. Yes. Grabe, it's still going on. Sino Big Four mo times 234. Grabe kayo, guys. Okay. Nasa na shades ko? Wala yung shades ko. Miss mo na sila. Of course, I miss them. I was talking to Josh. Sabi ko nga, Josh, congrats on your run. And I'm proud of him. And sabi ko, nakamiss sila, no? Nakamiss yung bahay ni Kuya, actually. Nakamiss living there. Although it was hard, it's still very fun. Ako, nag-enjoy talaga ako. And siguro, nakamiss ko yung magising ka, dahil mo na agad kasama, matutulog ka, marami ka rin kasama. I live most of the time alone eh. So parang being with them, I was able to have company. And makakipagkulitan lang. I was like living in a dream. Yung PBB, it's like you're living in a literal dream. A part of it being dream ko talaga. Nung tumira ako doon, para talaga siyang panag-inip na, wake me up. Wah! Shoutout po. Okay. Thank you for the finger hearts. Favorite food? My favorite food that I ate was the sinigang. Diyos ko Lord, ang sarap ng sinigang ni Staku. Grabe. When she cooked, I didn't know marunong pala talaga siya magluto. Ang sarap kasi hindi ako kumakain din ng sinigang na isda sa labas. I'm very picky, I'll admit. I'm a very picky eater. Pero grabe, ang sarap ng sinigang na salmon ng Bini. Wow. Well, maybe because it was prepared by Joanna and Stacy. So maybe that's why it's so good. But sarap, in fairness. Super sarap. Nakakamiss yung presence sa bahay ni Kuya. Thank you guys. I appreciate those comments kasi parang for me, I appreciate it lang. Thank you. Sinong pinaka-close ko? Si Big Brother. Wow, joke. Si Emil's River, Ralph. Alam miss Ralph too. Si Ralph nga dinaya ako pumasok ulit. Sabi ko, Ralph, I'm so excited, let's hang out na. Tapos, we weren't free on on the first week that he was out. Pero kaming busy. Sabi ko, oh my gosh. Tapos sabay wildcard. Hindi na kami nagkita. Sayang. Nasaan po si Emilio? Emils, where are you, Emils? Vela, what happened, Vela? Vampire, right? Happy birthday to you. Favorite place sa bahay ni Kuya? That's a good question. Thank you for the hat. Is that Raho? Hi, Raho. My favorite place sa bahay ni Kuya. The task room is really cool eh. Kasi dami namin ginawa doon. Nagmisa kami doon. Nag-boys night out. Tapos doon din kami natulog ni Esnir at ni Jisoo. So, I think the task room is special kasi parang there's always something different in the task room. But siguro tambayan, IKEA station was a good one. IKEA station namin. And then, ano pa bang magandang lagi kong pinupuntahan? There's that corner, di ba yung couch namin pa yung corner sa left, yung dulo, yung corner na yun, that's my favorite spot. Like, I'll always go there. One, kasi swerte yun sa akin nung 2 nominations ko. Or 2 eviction nights. And then, wala, it's comfy rin. Because I can put my arms back like that. Share ko lang. Millie! That's my favorite ship. Millie! It's my favorite ship, pare. Team Millie, pare. Oh my gosh, I miss Emilio, honestly. Siguro that's what I miss rin. Kasi, wala eh. Saya kaya like, it's like we're all brothers. Like, I miss the boys. I never had a brother growing up, so siguro that's what I really enjoyed din na mga best friends ko lang sila. Sino na 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 lagi-laging umawit. Top 3 love teams as the presidents. Presidents. Oy, ako I love making asardem tapos they always I don't Cupido talaga. It's not just in the house, even sa bahay, sa outside. You know, I love shipping my friends tapos they end up together. Nako. Anyways, joke lang. But AZ Ralph, they're so cute. Tell me they're not cute. Grabe. There was just one day that they were wearing parang athleisure sila pareha. So, it was for a task, but AZ was wearing like something athletic and so was Ralph. And then I was like, grabe kayo guys, parang kayong couple na tatakbo sa BGC, sa Makati. They look so good together. As in, yung visuals nila complement each other. And so do their personalities. That's why nakakaaliw sila. And Ralph kasi is such a good guy. Like, he's just there for AZ all the time. And when I observe them, it's so funny. Tapos naalala ko pa yung, sabi ko, guys, gawa tayong scene na nakaupo sila dalawa sa orange chairs. And then AZ and Ralph were there. And they look so good in, that's one during eviction night, I think. Ang ganda ng outfits nila. And then they did a little scene. Kinilig ako, in fairness. Nakakilig sila. Kish din, of course. I always tease Josh about Kira. They have their own little world when they're together. I miss Kira. Kira, how are you, Kira? Miss you, Kira. And Charlie. Good luck, Charlie. How about Shuvi and Donnie? Oh, Shuvi and Donnie was funny rin. I was watching it. TDH. Tall, dark, handsome. Miss mo naluto ni Atik lang. Yes, super miss. Favorite ship other than Millie? As Ralph. Favorite house guest? Good question. My favorite house guest, siguro. Oh, no, for sure the girls, Beanie, Joanna, and Beanie Stacy. And then MMD, and then Jisoo, Ate Gabby, Ate Ivana. Although Ate Ivana wasn't like parang talagang housemate namin siya kasi we didn't know, right? And sino pa ba? Am I missing? Tama, Jisoo. Yeah, hindi ko na nabutan yung iba. Sayang, hindi ko nabutan si Donnie. I would have wanted to get to know him or play basketball with him at least sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And si David. That's so cool. They have so many cool guests. And Sir Dong. And Ma'am Charo. Grabe kayo. Thanks for the hats. Wilka. Si Will and Bianca. You know, when we're together, us three, there was one time na magkasama kami sa IKEA station. I don't know if na-clip yun, but we were enjoying so much. Like, lakas kasi na trip din ni Will, lakas kasi trip ni Bianca, and then of course, lakas yung trip ko. Wala, masaya ako kasama sila. Those are so fun to be with. And siguro those are the two that I know personally din talaga sa labas. Bianca I knew outside. And then si Will I know outside. Although dun lang kami talaga nag-usap at naging close. So, nakakaliw. And I'm happy for them, si Will and Bianca. Good luck to them, grabe. You've been a fan of mine since Love Is Days. Grabe, ang tagal na nung Love Is Days. My first ever show here in the Philippines was Love Is. Bresneer, aking mahal. Oh, nakakamiss. Si Brent din eh. Si Brent, you know, we slowly got to get closer with each other. Nung near the end of my stay, bumabanat na siya slowly and nagjo-joke na siya. And when he makes banat kasi, matatawa ka. And then, he has that line nung nag-one-shot film kami yung, aking mahal. Pero, ang ginagawa nila, binabalik na sinasabi nila, aking laham. So, every time I see Brent, sabi ko, aking laham. Tapos nilalaro na, oh my God, nilalaro namin yung siomay. And then Brent and I we always get each other. And I felt so bad kasi I'd be like, yo Brent, tapos titingin siya. Oh, it was so fun. Yun yung na-miss ko, yung mga ganong moments na, well, those are stuff that just happens naturally when you stay with people. And I don't know, I enjoyed it lang. Mick Brent, they were such a good duo. They were a good duo, pare. Dustbia, I think I was one of the founders of Dustbia, and Paps. Paps, alam mo na yan, Paps. I miss Dustin. Sabi ko, I saw, I think, a TikTok about if I went to his restaurant na, I want to go with them, with all of them. Hinintayin ko na lang. Para masaya, of course. But I'm excited na I was looking at it on Instagram ngayon. Sabi niya sa akin, steak rice. Oh, yun na natin yun. I-clip na natin yun. Steak rice ni Dustin. Sa lahat ng housemates. Good luck, Dust. Big 4 kapamilya. If it's gonna be 4 each, mahirap no? I don't know. All of them are shocks. Sana okay kayo. I'm very okay with the housemates, and I love them still. They really are my family, and I'm excited to see them. And watching them inside, parang nakakaaliw lang. Excited ako sa bonding sa labas kasi, well, sana matuloy kasi alam kong they'll be very busy paglabas nila. So, we'll see. But sana kahit mga konting lunch, konting dinner, ganun. Thoughts on the carnival? It was cool. Galing nung tricks. Galing ni Shuvi, yung may paganon-ganon siya. Tuloy ba Hong Kong with the boys? Uy, grabe ano pala yan. Nalaman niyo pala yan. Sana, I told them, sabi ko, Josh, I was texting Josh, sabi ko, Josh said that, tuloy Hong Kong natin. Sabi ko, oh, of course. Sabi ko, hintay lang natin yung ibang boys. Favorite core memory? Core memory sa bahay ni Kuya. Marami. I think one of the best was, of course, when I was task leader, River and I, when we were doing yung cup stacking namin, there was a point na stress kami nung task day because we didn't know what was gonna happen. And until Kuya said it was gonna be 10 seconds lang, but we didn't know if there was gonna be ninjas. Basta we were expecting the worst and we didn't know how easy it was gonna be. But when it was only 10 seconds and we were in the middle and we held it for, I think, a minute na sa gitna, super happy kami. And after nun, we were confused kung tapos na ba talaga to, nagawa ba namin. Lumagay sa plasma bigla, housemates, tapos ang inyong weekly task. And after that, yung feeling ng paglabas ko, everybody was screaming, was jumping in awe and joy. And that's what I love to see because as a leader, as a task leader, and as a housemate, it was so fun and it's so it's really amazing seeing the housemates happy with their work. I mean, that was all them. It wasn't just because of the leaders. It wasn't just because of certain people. It was the housemates working as one to do something amazing. And we did it in a matter of like 25 minutes. And talunan kaming lahat. Tinatapan na namin yung cups. Yung moment na yun for me, parang slow-mo siya. Para siyang movie scene na yung nakikita ko. It was so cool lang. And yeah, core memory yun for me because we were all very happy. We all deserved that win. Not just to get the budget, but I was telling them I wanted to win kasi we needed to have some motivation to get back up. And that win really helped us kasi it was a tough time inside the house. For me at least. So it was really good. And core memory yun for me. Nakakamiss ko ulit nyo with Bianca. Same, I miss Bianca. Bianca is so funny kasi nung pagbagong dating niya, nakakausap ko pa siya. That was my first time really talking to her. Kasi sa labas, we just follow each other, right? And sa loob, nung nag-usap na kami, sabi ko, wow, grabe this girl. So she's a woman of substance, matalino siya, sarap niya kausap. And when she got more comfier, I like kinda let her go with the other housemates. So bihira na kami nag-uusap until nag-usap ulit kami like a week after. Ang kulit na niya, nag-ingay niya. Tapos enjoy lang ako. And sana we get to hang out more sa labas. Si Ann Curtis. At ang dalawa niyang Erwan. Oh, dalawa na. Joke lang. I'm just joking. Sino na lagi-laging umaawit. Millie as house challenger. That's something I would look forward to do. Look forward doing kasi parang grabe yung House Challenger. They're interesting. I was watching previous seasons. But we'll see. I don't know kung anong mangyayari. But if may ganon, parang ang saya nun. And feeling ko with Emilio would be so funny. Morning, y'all! Morning! Nakakamiss si Esnir. Ang aming ilaw sa bahay. Hi, Michael. Hello po. Magwa 1M na. Uy, grabe! Kakadaldal ko, 1M hearts na tayo. Shocks. Thank you, guys. Ganda ng eyes mo. Thank you. Kailan uuwi ng Marinduque? I hope to go home soon. Marinduque. I was supposed to go home recently with my family, but hindi ko nakauwi. Balong! I miss you, Balong. At si Ma'am Castro. Wow, 1M na. Thank you, guys. Thoughts on AZ. AZ is so amazing. I tell her all the time. She is a beautiful woman inside and out, and I'm so happy seeing her progress. I'm so proud of her. It was very difficult for her because I saw nung mga eviction nights, she was really crying. But alam ko she'll get through it. And wala, nakita ko yung mga fun moments niya sa loob. So, go, go, go! Good luck, AZ. As Ralph. Charlie. Owen. Hello po. Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin. Anong favorite Beanie song ko? Salamin! You know, okay guys, nung farewell ng Beanie, they played Salamin. Salamin, na 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 na. Ang ganda pala niya, like, well, it's a good song naman talaga, pero dun ko na, well, siguro kasi they were performing live, ang ganda, like, parang pwede ka, like, yeah. And then when I went to Aurora Festival, sabi ko, wow, it's such a good, like, it's so, like, a song that you can enjoy to, you can vibe, you can sing along. Wow, bentang-benta sa akin. No, but really, bro, siguro favorite song ko rin. Dati pang Tropico eh. Sa Islam ang Tropico. Thoughts on River. River, I love you, River. Ikaw ang boyfriend ng nation, di ba? He's so good. River is a really good guy. And his dad is really cool din. I was able to read his book. And I see where he gets his values from. And yeah, I wish him the best. You know, I really hope he does well and I hope he makes it to big night. Kasi deserve ni Rivs eh. I think ever since day one, pinakita niya yung progress niya, his growth, but also his consistency throughout. And that's something very important as a housemate. So, good job, Rivs! Oh, task na ayaw ko. What was the task na ayaw ko? I don't know eh. Thanks for the roses. I like all the tasks. Okay, something, siguro least favorite na lang. My least favorite task. Rampa Up Mar. Rampa Up Mar was a difficult task. And I don't say it's not my least favorite, but siguro mahirap siya. Mahirap yung walking backwards. Because there were so many times that I was walking backwards and I would touch it. Luckily na lang nung sumalang ako. Akala ko nga nagka-mistake ako, but I think it was fine. But I don't blame the housemates because it's a very difficult task. And wala, it was so hot sa pa. Mainit kasi nun eh, kasi hapon. So parang, yeah. Pero na-enjoy ko siya kasi sa ng painting. I love to paint. And I haven't painted in so long. And we were able to make a cloak. I think I still have the cloak. Nauwi ko siya. Ang ganda. Ganda nung concept na yun. I love the fact that apart from the artistic factor, we're able to express ourselves in misconceptions because it's something important that we get to share. And siguro having that platform, it was a blessing rin. And it was a good way to get to know the housemates better. I got to know my housemates better and also for the outside world to get to know us better. So, thank you, Kuya. It was a good task. I don't think, hindi ko yun least favorite, but it was one of the most challenging for me. It was a good question. How did you adjust your lifestyle in Canada to your lifestyle now here in the Philippines? Well, malaking adjustment talaga. And 3 years na ako dito sa Pilipinas. And masasabi ko din na I've been enjoying my time here. Although it's been very difficult because kahit saan naman na pumunta sa ibang mundo, sa ibang country, living and moving and starting from scratch, it's always difficult. But it's that, for me, it's that challenge that I really like and I adore na gusto kong ma-overcome in my life. So, I'm still a work in progress. I'm still currently building my life here in the Philippines. But my third year here, almost fourth year, I've been very happy and I'm just thankful for everything naman. Wow! Interview pala to eh! Any upcoming projects? Yes, abangan nyo po yan. I'm not gonna hide it, but I will just say that abangan. abangan na lang po natin. I'm excited to share it with you guys very soon. Where are you in Marinduque? I was born in Gasan, Marinduque. Sino pinaka-madiscarding housemates? Lahat. You know, hindi ko masasabing specific na isa. Lahat sila may diskarte. Especially the people that you least expect. They all have their own tactics, their own skills and talents that shine. And although they might not succeed in other tasks, they bawi in their tasks that they are good at. And that's what makes the housemates a good collection of people eh. Kasi we're all competitive in our own ways and we all have our own different dynamics. And siguro having that in one house is so fun kasi iba yung competitiveness. When it comes to the individual tasks, the duo tasks, or even like group tasks, you can see how competitive they are. So it's fun and I like it that way. I mean, it's for me, it's really good to be competitive lalo na sa ganung setting because it makes things more interesting. Favorite core ko sa PBB. I'll mention a few. One of my other favorites, when I did Reina. So yun, no, dati MMD. Of course, when Beanie was there, that was so cool. That was a time that we couldn't speak. And then, sinasabi ko sa kanila, guys, gabi, gusto ko na magsalita. I want to get to know them better. Kasi imagine, you don't just meet Beanie. We're living with them. Pa sabi ko, grabe to. Like, what an experience. And Joanna and Stacy were someone that I don't know personally, even sa outside. So getting to know them there was fun. But yeah, the challenge of not being able to speak at the same time was so hard. So Emilio and I were like, bro, paano to? But nung natalo kami, unfortunately natalo sa task, but at least we were able to bond more and we got to learn the that was really fun. I enjoyed that. And nung nag-actingan I've never met kasi anybody else that is as big of a fan as Kathniel. Well, there are many, of course. But siguro, locally, like, I haven't met someone na ganon ka-dedicated kasi there's so many facts that I know about Kathniel that also Joanna knows. And it was a fun story lang because yung line or yung scene sa Barcelona, it's my favorite movie, by the way, na parang, Celine, you'll never be Celine, yung ganon. Lahat ng auditions ko, ever since day one, ever since talaga when I started trying for showbiz, yun yung ginagamit kong eksena. Nothing else. That scene lang. And I used to memorize it by heart until my audition. Recently, sa one of my auditions, they were like, say a monologue. Yun pa rin yung ginamit ko because I really love that scene. And the fact that she knew that at nagbatuhan kami, I was like, whoa, this is so cool. Kaya, ayun, core memory ko yun. And I'm so happy na na-clip siya kasi parang, wala, enjoy lang. Podcast now. Oo nga eh. Itong live na ito, dapat gawin ko ng podcast. Ayan. Hello po, mga kapuso, mga kapamilya. Siargao with Ate Ivana. Grabe, may pa-siargao na. Baka nag-ano na nga sila eh. Yung mga girls, nag-bonding na sa bahay ni Ate Ivana. Saya. Uy, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat if there are anybody watching here from AC Kel. Thank you for the billboard. Oh my God, I drove by Guadalupe and it was really fast because it wasn't traffic. For the first time, it wasn't traffic. And I couldn't get a photo na kasi nasa labas sa bintana ko na trying to get a photo. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to. So thank you guys. It was such a cool thing, and the fact that you guys put all your efforts and time to get a billboard for AC and I was texting AC, grabe AC, iba ka na. It was so cool lang. So thank you AC Kel, to all the supporters. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Favorite memories sa amin ni River. One of my favorite, the funny one, was when, marami, but yung recent that I can really remember, same day yun eh, na yung parusa ni Shuvi, siya yung una, diba? And then, sabi ni River, there was like stuff on the plasma kasi, so River goes, and then si River kasi, di ba pwede naman mag-imic doon, but River goes, tapos parang intriga siya, tapos nasa likuran niya kasi ako, so parang nakasunod sa kanya, nakagano yung ano niya, so tawan-tawa ako, and then na-clip yun, tawan-tawa ako, kasi sabi ko, grabe bro, chismosa talaga tayo. It was so funny. And then that same day, nagbabasa na ako. I was reading a book. Emilio was beside me reading a book. And then River goes, and then Emilio, pahiram ng libro mo ah. And then he was like, go, go, go. So tahimik kami. And then, nag-ano na nagsisettle down na si River, umupo siya sa couch, ganun siya. Tapos sabi niya, guys, nagsuot siya ng convo. So sabi ko, wala, hindi pa siya nagsisimula sa pagbasa. And then to the point na, sabi ko, I answered na lang, blah, blah, blah. Mga 5 seconds later, pero sabi ko, and then we ended up not reading. So sabi ko, rule number 1, sabi ni Emilio, rule number 1, so book club, no talking. And then it was to the point that Emilio was like, okay, hindi na kami magbabasa, mag-chika na lang tayo. That was so funny, shit. Shocks. Mababas pa ako. Shocks, hanapin nyo na yan, guys. Please. Huwag yun na-clip yun. Dahil ko na sinasabi. Shocks. Pinagpawiso na ka nila. Huwag nyo na ako i-buzz, guys. I've had too many buzzers sa bahay ni Kuya. Ay, okay. My tattoo. This is my tattoo. It's my uncle's signature. Natawa ako. It's my uncle's signature. His last letter before he passed away. And, ayan. Yes. My sister, my dad, and I have this. This is my only tattoo. That's why, if you guys see it ever, that's what it means. In Christ, Edwin. Yeah. Favorite core memory namin ni Dustin. Ako marami din kami, Dust. Kasi nung mga first weeks talagang kami lang yung... I wasn't really close with everybody yet. So, Dustin and I were like that. And we'd always chika, we'd always talk. Ang dami namin mga funny memories. Yung boys night out was really funny. Like, bro, as in tawang-tawa ako kay Pops. Kasi ano na siya, no? Like, really knockout na talaga. Like, hindi na niya kinaya yung ano. So, wala. Just seeing him enjoy that way. He was so excited. He was so happy. And he deserved it eh. Siguro, ang dami din yung... Nasa-stress din siya at times. So, I was like, bro, deserve mo to. And apart from that, yung core memory ko with Dust, oh my God, nakalimutan ko. I had one eh. Nakalimutan ko na. Shucks. If I remember it, I'll say it na lang. Ay, yung si Charlotte, yung, uy, tululaway Pops. Core memory ko talaga yun. Because for the first time, sabi ko, Dust, sana makapagtrabaho tayo sa labas. Like, any serie, kung ano man yan or whatever. I hope we get to act together. Tapos sabi niya, it's our first time. And then we had to make our lines for that. Everybody got to make their own. So sabi ko, Dust, gawin na natin to. And then, we made the lines, we wrote it down. Pero nung mismong, nag-rehearse kami, sabi ko kay Dust, bro, lang natin to? Make it fun lang, kumbaga. So, yung mga ad-libs niya kasi, yung tululaway Pops, for example, that's like Dustin eh, yung Pops, yung handshake namin. So, wala. Ang saya lang nun, and seeing it, parang, yes, in character kami, but it was really just Michael and Dust having fun. And that was something I will remember, especially sa time ko sa bahay ni Kuya. Dahil kong salita. Okay guys, I've been live for like 3 hours na. Well, joke lang. Mga 1 oras na. I will see you guys very soon. I'll answer a few more questions. But abangan nyo po ang aming mga ganap. And abangan nyo po ang Pinoy Big Brother House. Wow! Hi Jo! May pa-roses si Joanna guys. Set na. Tapos na. I'm happy na. Uy, first time nanonood si Joanna ng live ko. Hindi yan nanonood ng... Podcast with Bianca. Sige, gawin natin yan. Update sa broadcast. And if you guys haven't joined yet, join nyo sa broadcast ng Sager Fam. Oh, Sager Fam. Joanna and Stacy. Hi guys. Oh! Si Emilio nag-text, he wants to join. Yes, Mills! Yes, bro! Finally, bro! Yes! Uy! Finally,
What's
bro!
up? Bro, can you see me?
Yes! Uy! Finally,
Bro, can you see me?
Yes! I can't see you.
How can I see me? How come I can't see myself?
Can you see me? Yes! I can't see you. I don't video, bro.
Can you see me?
I can't.
Wait lang.
Can you see me?
Wala kang camera, bro. Yeah!
Let's go. I saw you live, bro. Come on. I just finished.
Oh, I miss
I
you,
just finished
bro.
some work, and I miss you, bro. What is happening?
Oh, I miss you, bro.
Grabe.
Echo duo.
Si Joanna nagsasend ng roses sa'yo.
Si Joanna ng roses, bro.
Ano ba yan? Oy, Jo. Ba't di ka nagsasend ng roses sa akin? Bro, I miss you, bro. I miss you, duo. I think we need to schedule another live tayong dalawa. No? I think the people would like that.
Yeah, you guys want that? Live kami ni Emilio. Dapat same ano na tayo, same room. You guys want that?
Yeah, I think they would. I think they would, right? Ayan, bro. Grabe. I think we're gonna break TikTok. May 5,000 viewers na tayo.
Bro, may
Bro.
echo ka duo.
I can't hear. I'm eating food. Healthy tayo.
Wow.
You can't hear anything. Echo. Shoot. Okay.
Ayun. But you're muted na. What happened? Echo hindi maintindihan. Duo! Salita ka, duo. Ang gulo no, habang kahit mag-live kami, ang gulo pa rin. Where are you, duo? Are you at work? Yeah, he's at work. Oh guys, ito kasi yung task namin, hindi pwede magsalita. Tinuloy lang namin hanggang sa labas. Let's go live again together, duo, no? I think they want it. Dapat sabay. Yeah. Duo, sino daw big four mo, duo? Who's your big four, duo?
That's it. You and me.
Who's your big four, duo?
You and me.
Just Mio, that's our big four. Guys, please, abangan nyo yung show ni Emilio this June. Love at First Spike. Grabe yon. Napaka-pogi, napakagaling. San pa kayo? Kay Uno na kayo. Eh! Let's go! Ay. Anyways, duo, I'm gonna end this na. I've been live for an hour. Let's go live together, dude. Let's go, guys. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Emilio and I will go live again. Wala nang echo, promise. And yeah, you guys take care. Love you guys. See you, duo. Bye-bye.